Brian here, back with another Agix update. Alright, you can see we are coming back here to retest that breakout. Alright, I'm going to give you a pretty close area to watch for here, okay, and show you what's going on here. Nothing to be afraid of at all. We got some RSIs cooling off. That is it, okay, and I'm going to prove that to you in a second here with a little bit of TA. Alright, so first off, I want to show you the crypto bubbles out there. Got a lot of stuff correcting today. No big deal. All right, just a normal pullback. You get overextended, heated up RSIs. They have to cool off. All right, that's how the market goes up and down. We're just cooling off through here. So let's go back here a second. All right, AGIX, we're down 5.85% right now, and let's see here, we're down, what is it, 0.014 cents. Okay, so we're going to go over to my other list here, and I got to show you a couple things. Then I'm going to show you where this thing is going to stop. Okay, Bitcoin dominance, this thing, it just will not stop. It's crazy. Don't know. I'm hoping maybe it comes in here and double tops. All right, we have this first top here. This thing is starting, you know, because if you zoom in here and you actually put a trend line on here, you can see it's breaking out of that trend now. Okay, so there's a trend line on it. That's on the 8 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, you can see it breaking right out of there. So this thing is obviously wanting to go higher. Whether it gets up and double top, like I said, double taps this top and rolls over. But we got the breakout of that area there, and you can see these RSIs. That 4 hour is on the floor. Okay, you can see it right. Let me get my pointer here so I can not confusing anybody. Okay, right down here is the RSIs we're talking about. Whoops, let me pull it back over there. There we go. All right, the 4 is on the floor, the 8 is on the floor. Okay, the 12, that's the one, it was almost at the bottom. You can see it hooking back up. You see that curve in it there? See it wanted to curve back up. So looks like this thing wants to go again. We have the daily flipped over, but and we have the weekly up at 91 and 76, so getting a little high. The monthly is right at the top too and just flipped bearish. So this thing is going to tap out at some time here for sure. Okay, whether it double tops here, we'll have to wait and find out. But right now, Bitcoin dominance is looking fantastic. Bitcoin itself, once again, this thing is looking very good too. It ended up doing an ABC up here. Let me show you that real quick. Okay, we zoom in. This is on the 8 hour chart here. All right, if we take put a Fibonacci at the top of that. Okay, you can see we came up to this level. We're going to come down and put that right on top. Okay, right there. Okay, you can see we finished out that. All right, so right in here we had an A, a B, and a C. Okay, come in here. So whether it's done right there or not, I kind of doubt it. It's looking strong. The RSI, the relative strength index, that's what we're showing here. The 8 hours on the floor, the 4, it's at the bottom. The 12, okay, the 12 has just started down. Now these are the ones that get fun. All right, after this, the daily's at the top. But look at this. Look at the weekly. Look at that. Let me close this out here. Okay, that weekly is just heading up, and look at this one. Look at the monthly. It's about 3/4 of the way up. So this market could get really fun. All right, that level that I am talking about, what, that $31,500. We break through that. You can see it was major support there, major resistance there. Okay, we bust through that. We haven't been able to do it yet this bear market. So we get through there, things could get really fun for the market. All right, see some big changes coming up in here. Okay, the DXY that we keep an eye on every video, that thing, we had bearish divergence on that daily chart there. I can pull it up and show you here real fast. All right, get out of that there. All right, right here, let's show this first. Okay, the divergence was right in here. Okay, that ended up coming in lower. All right, up here we had this low, we had a higher low. Down here we had this low, we ended up with a lower low. All right, so we got bearish divergence down there on the daily. All right, waiting to see this, if this is going to play out or not. The daily RSI is heading up on it, but we have that weekly right at it's bearish. It's the 54 to 62. Once again, though, look at that. Looks like it's just curving just a little bit. But that today it's down 0.11%. All right, let's go over to AGIX here because I got some stuff I want to share with you guys. Look at that weekly RSI. All right, looking absolutely perfect. Let me get out of here. Let me pull them back up. We got that weekly on the bottom. I don't believe there is a monthly. No, there's not enough data for a monthly. So the weekly looks fantastic. The 12-hour is coming down. The 8 is at the bottom. The 4 is on the bottom. All right, what we had come in here, let me go on the 8. It's easier to see. Okay, we had our top come in over there. Then we had a right here. I'm going to show you where this thing should end up. Okay, we have an ABC coming in here. Alright, so this thing should be coming right down to this level. Right here. Coincides right with our breakout line at 0.0225. We call it 0.0225. Okay, could come a little touch lower. Could stop a little bit higher. Alright, but right to 0.0255 or 0.25. Jeez, oh man, 0.2255. Watch for that. That would be the ABC. That would be the measured move of this thing. You got your A leg, your B leg, and then your C comes right on top of that. All right, which would be right down at that level. All right, so an ABC would be right there. A, B, C. Down here to this yellow line. We should bounce from there. Okay, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't go selling everything you own and putting it on that. All right, nobody knows for sure. Definitely looks like an ABC coming in. All right, so watch that 0.2255 for a bounce area. That coincides right here with support through here, support here, and support back through these areas. All right, and that's right where a breakout happens. So I'm going to be keeping a close eye on that for a bounce. You can see it starting to come down pretty hard there now. So pretty weird. Just as I'm doing the video, it starts doing that. Let's zoom in on a 15-minute. You almost got the 15-minute reset. So it could end up finishing this this out very soon. All right, got the 15-minute about on the floor. What's the 30 at? Yeah, the 30's at the bottom too. So yeah, by the time I get this video out, I'd imagine this thing will be about finished up. So alright guys, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate that very, very much. And I will talk to you guys very soon as we finish up this correction and get some movement. I'll be back. Thanks a lot.